Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to transfer money from Chase to Bank of America. Open the website chase.com, then click Sign In. Now sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Pay and Transfer. On this page, you can now start your transfer. First, select the From and To account. If you haven't added an external account yet, click on Add an external checking or savings account. To add an external account, choose first the bank you wish to add. Before you proceed, read the agreement. After reading, click on the tick box beside I have read and agree. Then click on Next. Now read the reminders. Then click on Next. On the pop-up window, enter your Bank of America account credentials. To verify your identity, select how you wish to receive a code either via text or call. Then click on Send Code. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on Submit. Next, read the terms and consent. Then click on Share My Data. Review the account to add. Then click on Next. Once your account has been added, click on Close. Now, enter the amount you wish to transfer. You could also change the transfer date and add a memo. After that, click on Next. Review the transfer details. If everything looks good, click on Transfer Money. That's how you transfer money from Chase to Bank of America. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles.